In today's tutorial, we are going to learn this. Create a frame using the Frame tool and choose a desktop. Import an image into the frame. Add text into the frame using the Text tool. Add a rectangle for the image's layer mask. Drag these pointers into the center. Ensure the rectangle layer is positioned lower than the image layer in the Layers panel. Select both layer and click on Use as Mask. Select and adjust a rectangle layer. Duplicate this frame using Ctrl+D. Select the rectangle in Frame 2 and increase its size. Follow this step for 3 more frames. In frame 6, select the rectangle and pull the pointer to the corner, or set radius to 0. Switch to Prototype. Carefully follow the interaction details. Hit the play button.